Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these two kawaii necklaces with a twist. Now today I'm going to be using molds from the February Elves box, and the theme was Lucky Fortune. I absolutely adored everything that came out of this box, and I wanted to just have a go at making some necklaces with them. This mold that I'm using now is actually supposed to be the lid of a little like bingo spinner, but you know me, I wear everything. Now this mold in particular is super intricate, so in between each section I was actually flash curing it just to make sure that the resin didn't go running into each other. Now it's time to add some of my lovely Larissy glitter just to make sure that that cloud is standing out from the rest. I know it's not a lot of glitter that I'm putting into this, but I wanted this to look more like candy, and you don't really get glittery candy as such, but I did want the wing and the cloud to stand out. Once I'd filled up the rest of the mold with the mint green, then it was time for me to do a full cure, and I'm using a brand spanking new lamp. I actually got this one from Sophie and Toffee. This is a good lamp, guys. This one cures your resin really, really fast. I cannot stress just how relieved that I was that this actually turned out very, very well. It took a long time. I mean, you're seeing it all done in like 1 minute. It took some time, trust me. So now I'm making some extra little magic beans using the second mold that we received. Look at how adorable that they came out. They are so, so, so cute. So because I'm super extra, I didn't just, you know, add a chain to that piece that I made. I had to go and stick it on something else. So I had this hairbrush / compact mirror, and I decided to just file off the sort of glossy layer and do a bit of decadent on top because, you know, why not? Why not just go all out and make practically a cake for me to wear? Honestly, I do question myself sometimes. As I'm using the air dry clay from Sophie and Toffee, I have to work super duper fast. This one does dry pretty quickly. Afterwards, I did actually also gloss over it with some resin just to give it more of a sort of cream look. But look at how beautifully that this turned out. I'm so, so happy with it. And I just love the fact that I can not only wear it, but I can also use it as a mirror, and I can brush my hair when it's not looking right. Unfortunately, I can't eat it. Okay, so on to necklace number 2, and say hello to Toby. I did ask you guys to please name this mold, and Toby was the one that stuck out to me because it's short for toe beans. And we all know that I love me some toe beans, but I tell you what, these teeny tiny toe beans in this mold, oh my gosh, they were so, so hard to do because they are so, so tiny, but absolutely adorable. So thank you so much, Deborah, for your suggestion. I think that Toby is the perfect name. Once I had cured his features, then it was time for me to add in the patches. I know that you don't get blue cats, but this is a magical cat, so just go with it, please. And then I just put together a concoction of my iridescent Larissy glitters. I've got hearts, I've got stars, I've got clouds, I've got glitter shards. I've got pretty much everything going on in there because I wanted him to be super duper sparkly. Next, I took some bezel tape and I covered over the little gap at the bottom because I wanted this to be a proper shaker. This mold is actually intended for some little fortune sticks to be on the inside, and then you're supposed to shake them and then like they come out of the bottom. But I wanted it to be like a normal shaker, so that's the reason why I did that. So now I'm making his ball of yarn, and I'm being very careful to not get this blue mixture in the middle because I want that part there to be the window for the shaker. So I'm now covering that over with some clear UV resin. I used the same bezel tape trick to close off the top part. I drilled a hole in the bottom and added in some glitter and some toe beans, and of course some more confetti and some pearls, just so that there were plenty of things in there to move around. And then, just as if I was adding shaker film, I added some UV resin all the way around the perimeter, and I then placed the little lid on top and I sealed up any little gaps and then filled it up with some baby oil. After adding the eye screw, I then marveled at him for about 10 minutes and just couldn't stop spinning him around. He was so cute. And then I added in the last part of the blue mixture to make the little bow, and then attached that to some pink chain, and that was going to be his tail. A little blinging heart just to finish off, and then I super glued a bail to the back, added some UV resin just to secure it, and we are done. What do we think of Toby? Is he not just the most magical kitty you have ever seen in your entire life? Honestly, he brings me so much joy. I will never let him out of my sight. He is my little precious. If you enjoyed this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.